our new breakthrough gaming experience. Are you missing those split-second shots that determine the winner? Let your body's electrical impulses make your next move. Brink Bionics is debuting the fastest gaming technology in the industry with its Impulse Neuro-Controller to optimize your speed in first-person shooter and fast-paced action games.
I'm playing Overwatch right now, and I can clearly notice the difference in one-on-one battles that I'm winning. Like just that one right there, right? We're head-to-head with each other, and because the Brink Bionics glove, my game rendered first, and I had the ability to kill the other person.
So when a gamer playing games and press the mouse button, a lot is happening. Your motor cortex is sending neural commands to this muscle. And once that muscle gets fired, the muscle fiber will shorten and pulling the finger. And then that's your mouse click.
The time between muscle contraction to click can take up to 150 milliseconds. Your current gaming mouse is reactive to your movements, whereas Impulse is proactive. Impulse works with your mouse to tap into your body's electrical signals to anticipate your choice up to 80 milliseconds before you click your mouse.
So when using Impulse, what it's picking up is fine motor movements from your individual fingers. So when using it with a gaming mouse, you can either move to click, or you can just use the fine neural input to fire, which ultimately is faster than clicking. And this way, Impulse can work with your existing gaming mouse, but eventually replace settings on your gaming mouse as you become more proficient with Impulse.
First thing I'm noticing, it's very light, very comfortable. It feels like I'm pretty much ready to go to battle with this on.
Having been a competitive gamer for over 2 decades now, a product like this really changes the ability for a gamer across FPSs and MMORPGs to win the one-on-one matches, to build more resources, and overall play a better, faster game.
At the same time, there's this electric process where the muscle fibers membrane has ionic exchange and generating a electric signal, what we call electromyography, EMG. At Brink Bionics, we developed technology and machine learning algorithm to detect that tiny EMG prior to an actual physical mouse click. And this is our advantage.
Using artificial intelligence, Impulse has embedded sensors to detect muscle signals from gamers' hand.
Impulse interfaces your nervous system with your current PC gaming setup. Our Neuro-Controller features 4 myoelectric muscle sensors, a neoprene adjustable glove, a low-friction pad, wired USB connection for faster communication, and comes in all sizes. Best of all, Impulse improves latency for left and right clicks.
Like that shot right there. That shot right there felt very responsive. It felt very good. I definitely have an advantage over other players.
This is your opportunity to be part of the next leap in gaming technology by supporting the first true real-time neural interface for esports.
React before the competition. Why be mechanical when you can be electric? Pledge now and receive your Impulse Neuro-Controller. Think it, play it with Impulse.
Finally, a gaming mouse that puts full control in the palm of your hand. Lexip is a mouse specifically designed for gamers of all levels. So whether you play in professional gaming tournaments or you're just a weekend gamer, Lexip is designed to be a versatile mouse for gamers everywhere.
Oh, awesome.
The mouse is super smooth, and this is something a lot of companies can't get.
It literally doesn't even feel like it's sliding on anything.
The Lexip mouse easily allows you to perform complex tasks in multiple dimensions with increased precision.
Usually you'd have to stop in order to switch through your items in your inventory, but when you're using the joystick, you can just simply scroll through your items. So it does genuinely give you an advantage when you're playing a game like Minecraft.
Lexip provides 6 degrees of freedom via 2 joysticks and 1 laser glide sensor. It works by tilting forward, backward, and side to side.
The mouse moves with your hand and it goes with it. That's a very big plus.
This mouse would actually give a competitive advantage in gameplay.
The laser sensor lets the user control the mechanical gliding at very high speeds while maintaining the best accuracy. The tilting allows you to have more 3-dimensional movement, all within the mouse itself. So you can combine multiple movements into your mouse seamlessly.
It has a joystick on the side, so if I'm playing and I want to zoom in to shoot someone, it automatically goes into the zoom mode. I don't have to like double click on the mouse.
What? That's awesome.
I'm kind of shocked.
Are they gonna give you one?
I doubt that.
Lexip's shape is designed in a way that buttons are very accessible while still providing a solid feeling. The sides are covered in the finest rubber, enabling a strong grip when needed.
It's comfortable, it's smooth. I wasn't ready for it.
The Lexip gaming mouse also provides a separate model specifically designed for left-handed gamers. What truly sets the Lexip mouse apart from its competitors is its conveniently positioned joystick on the side of the mouse, along with its internal mechanical 2-axis joystick, which allows users to operate the mouse to tilt or to use as a joystick, offering 2 options in one. This mini joystick features mechanical feedback forces that only regular-sized joysticks used to offer, making this the first of its kind.
The joystick allows me to go through the entire map, which is actually really cool. I think it's great. It's going to make a massive difference in big games.
Oh wow, yeah, you can use the joystick, really works well right here.
Lexip's control panel allows you to customize and configure the settings specific to what you're comfortable with, providing you with various shortcuts. And once you configure the settings, you won't need to configure them again. Our goal is to bring the Lexip mouse to gamers everywhere, but we need your help. Please support our campaign so that you too can take advantage of the innovative features our gaming mouse will offer you. Elevate your gameplay with Lexip.
Teslasuit is a human-to-digital interface, the only of its kind, designed to simulate experience and accelerate mastery in the physical world. Teslasuit inputs haptic feedback to any area of the body, from gentle touch to feelings of physical exertion and temperature, and outputs motion capture and biometrics. Teslasuit accelerates VR training with performance monitoring and sensation. Users experience scenarios as though they've lived them. In the physical world, errors in operating procedure can be costly. Trainers are a limited resource, and mastery requires endless input and repetition. With Teslasuit, trainer inputs are embedded in the simulation. Users train with autonomy, and mastery is achieved with less repetition by programming operating procedure into muscle memory. In high-stakes industries, where errors can cost millions of dollars or human lives, Teslasuit reduces risk by training safety protocol into reflex. Training requires less time and human resources, and users perform reliably, like masters, on day one. On heavy industrial sites, on-the-job injuries are reduced by perfecting technique. Public safety professionals develop the instincts they'll need in the heat of the moment. Teslasuit captures the movement of individuals and teams, enabling experts to analyze performance, both in training and in the field. In any field, the Teslasuit Developer Toolkit supports rapid development of accelerated training solutions, and mastery can now be scaled infinitely. Teslasuit. Master reality.
OUYA is a new game console for the television that's built on Android open source technology. It's an inexpensive game console for gamers. All the games are free to try. Anybody that wants to develop a game for a television, we allow them the ability to do this. I've been a part of the game industry for a really long time. In the early days of gaming, you could take your Apple IIe, write your own programming, and take your game to market.
The console business as it is today is completely closed to the independent developer.
The process overhead for console development is really just too much for us.
There's a lot of hurdles for developers to get games onto the television. Developing is extremely expensive. I love the television and I want those games on the television. We wanted to make a great product. I went out to find the best people that can do it, and that's Yves Behar and the Fuse Project.
Over the years, we've worked on a lot of projects that take a certain technology and make it available to many. I mean, the $100 laptop is one, and the Jambox, for example. We like to use all the different parts of design, fuse them together, whether it's industrial design or user experience.
The most important part of this to us is the controller.
We really focus a lot on what gamers are looking for. Precise controls, tactility, right sizing. What makes OUYA different and gives it the potential of changing the gaming environment is you're able to build things right from the start. You don't have to pay outrageous amounts of money for a dev kit. You don't have to have a lot of credentials, just good ideas.
The more we have something like this open console that can break that, it's going to open it up for a new business segment for the independent developers.
Since it's Android based, we have a great 3D port of Cannibal that's on Android already. That would be really fun to see up on the TV.
We have a prototype and it works. We'll have all the game genres you love. Shooters, platformers, sports, and RPGs. We'll have games from major game publishers and indies too. We'll have a full store of games, all free to play. Minecraft is going to be on it, and Twitch TV, so you can watch StarCraft and League of Legends.
This is the perfect hybrid to have something that's inexpensive, it's open, and it comes with a fantastic controller.
It's open for hackers that want to tweak the box and make it their own. This is a big undertaking. Effectively, we're trying to disrupt an established industry. It takes a lot of guts and courage. Oh, I wasn't a female, I say big balls. We've raised money from friends and family, but it takes more. Kickstarter is a phenomenal place where early ideas can get supported by those people that are going to want to use it. And this product will not happen without their support. And when we raise this money, it means that we have arrived, that there is a need for an open game console, and that there is support from gamers and developers alike. And you're the signal to the world that this is wanted.
OUYA.